Hello and welcome to Indian Drives. My name is Yash, and if you have clicked this video today, you are probably looking out for an MPV in the automotive market. But since the news of the launch of the new Kia Carens, you are quite confused between the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga, the Nexa XL6 and the Kia Carens. And it is completely understandable to be confused, but I promise you by the end of this video, you will know which car to put your hard-earned money on. The Kia Carens have been a very successful MPV for the Kia brand in the global market since 1999. The model that we are going to get here in India happens to be the fourth generation of Kia Carens, and it borrows a lot of design cues from its crossovers. The Kia brand in India has also branded it as a recreational vehicle than an MPV. So without any further ado, let's just check out whether the new higher priced feature loaded Kia Carens will be a threat to the all-time Indian joint family favorite, the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga. Now before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, do consider subscribing to us so you do not miss out on such interesting content that comes to you every week. Now let's hold on to the long list of features and focus on the numbers. In terms of road presence and dimensions, the Ertiga stays way behind the Kia Carens, as the Carens is longer, wider and taller than the Ertiga. It in fact even has a longer wheelbase and a higher ground clearance as compared to the Ertiga. The tyre setup used in the Kia Carens is a wider 205mm and a 16-inch alloy wheel setup, whereas the Ertiga still continues with a narrower 15-inch wheel setup. The narrow tyre setup does help the Ertiga to boost its fuel efficiency, but it also compromises on the traction level and the driving experience behind the wheels. The Kia Carens borrows the engine lineup from the Seltos. It gets 2 petrol and a 1 turbocharged diesel engine option. In petrol, you get the 1.5-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine, which produces 115 horsepower and 144 Newton meters of torque. The other engine that you are offered in the Kia Carens is the 1.4-litre turbocharged petrol unit, which churns out 140 horsepower and 242 Newton meters of torque. And to turn your drive into an exciting affair, this engine is paired to a 7-speed dual clutch transmission for those buttery smooth and lightning fast gear shifts. Kia Carens also happens to be the only car in its class to offer a turbo petrol unit, as the Ertiga still carries forward with the naturally aspirated petrol engine. The Ertiga and the XL6, however, still rely on the 1.5-litre naturally aspirated K-Series K15 engine. This engine develops a mere 105 horsepower and 115 Newton meters of torque. This engine is paired with the same old 5-speed manual transmission and a 4-speed automatic gearbox. Now considering it is a 6 and 7-seater MPV, these power figures are not really ideal considering the weight and the dimensions of the vehicle. And so is the story with the 4-speed automatic gearbox, as it can get reluctant and it might not shift as quickly as you may want it to. Now due to the BS6 norms, Maruti Suzuki might have ditched their Fiat-sourced 1.3-litre DDIS engine, but the Kia Carens will put a smile on the diesel enthusiast, as it will also come with a 1.5-litre turbocharged diesel engine, which produces 115 horsepower and 250 Newton meters of torque. So definitely there is no lack of torque in this diesel engine. This said engine will be paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Now with the scores settled for the power figures and the dimensions, let's have a look what all comfort and convenience features do these MPVs have to offer. The Ertiga only comes in a 7-seater layout and you get third-row reclining seats, whereas the XL6 is offered in a 6-seater layout and you get captain seats with individual armrest in the middle row. These captain seats also have a one-touch fold function for an easy ingress of the third row of passengers. The third row in the XL6 can also be reclined for that extra comfort, and it can also be folded with a 50:50 split ratio. The second and the third row of the XL6 and the Ertiga get adjustable headrests for the extra comfort of the passengers. Now a few other features that the Ertiga gets is an engine push start stop button, electrically adjustable ORVMs, air-cooled twin cup holders and keyless entry. The XL6, however, gets an additional feature than the Suzuki Ertiga, and it gets a feature of cruise control. Now in terms of safety, both the Ertiga and the XL6 gets front dual airbags, ABS, EBD and hill hold assist. However, the XL6 also gets an ISOFIX mount for the captain seats. The Kia Carens, however, is the safest MPV in its class as it gets 10 robust safety features across all its variants. You heard it right, there is no differentiation in the variants of Kia Carens. You get the same exact safety features in the top variant as you get in the base variant. And those safety features are 6 airbags, rear parking sensors, ABS, ESC, hill hold assist and downhill brake assist. By the way, do let us know in the comment section which car do you think is more safer, the Ertiga or the Kia Carens. The Kia Carens also sets a new benchmark for the MPVs in the segment as it gets a lot of segment first features like the electrically folding captain seats, backseat tables and an underseat tray for storage. The Carens indeed make its elder sibling, the Kia Carnival, proud by carrying forward all its insane list of crazy features. If you happen to be an audiophile, you will undoubtedly fall for the Kia Carens as it comes with an 8-speaker Bose surround system. And while you are enjoying the Beethoven's opera with your Bose sound system, you can control the ambience of your cocooned auditorium with the mood lighting, which comes in 64 colors. And if you're always worried about your mobile phones heating up while charging it through the wireless charging pad, you need not worry as the Kia Carens also gets a cooling function for the wireless charging pad. Kia Carens also gets a 10.1-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It gets an air purifier which is neatly installed behind the driver's seats. It also gets cup holders with air vents. And speaking of air vents, the front seats are also ventilated to cool you down during the hot summer days. Lastly, it gets one of the features that kids go crazy for, a sunroof. Surely no car could ever be 100% perfect and neither is the Kia Carens. And even if it were, it is our job to find out those fly-in ointments so that you are aware of those drawbacks before spending your hard-earned money on a car. Now, one of the drawbacks of the Kia Carens is with its third row upright, it only offers you a boot space of 100 liters, which is not enough considering it's an MPV and a family car. However, with the seats folded, you do get access to the 492 liter of boot space. And this is the area where the Ertiga and the XL6 beats the Kia Carens as they get a larger boot space. Now, considering the feature list, we have been a little harsh to the Suzuki Ertiga and the XL6 with this comparison. But to give you a clearer perspective, it is important to discuss one of the key aspects before buying a car. It's pricing. Surely the Ertiga might seem a little dated as compared to the Kia Carens, and the brochure might make you nostalgic of the early 2000s as the Ertiga proudly shows off its power windows in the brochure as a feature. But a thing to keep in mind here is that the base variant of the Suzuki Ertiga is priced at Rs 7.98 lakh and the top end variant goes on till 10.69 lakhs ex-showroom. And similarly, the Maruti Suzuki Nexa XL6 is priced at Rs 9.98 lakhs for the base variant and 11.86 lakhs for the top end variant. Whereas the Kia Carens is expected to launch at a price range where the Suzuki Ertiga and the XL6 maxes out. The Korean MPV is expected to launch at a price of Rs 13 lakhs for the base variant and the top end variant might be close to Rs 20 lakhs ex-showroom. So there is a huge price gap that we are talking about and it might not be fair to compare these directly. So considering the pricing, you may call this a silly comparison, but considering the MPV segment, you do not have many options to choose from. So मित्रों, अगर आपको पैसे की दिक्कत नहीं है and you are intrigued and excited about the features that the Kia Carens has to offer, then it is definitely one of the best MPVs we can have in India. But if you are looking for an MPV on a budget with decent modern features, then definitely you can go with the Suzuki Ertiga and it will not disappoint you. And if in case you want that extra premium touch in your Suzuki Ertiga, then you can opt for the Maruti Suzuki Nexa XL6. As it has to offer more features and a plush interior as compared to Ertiga. It gets cruise control, it gets leather interiors, and more importantly, it gets captain seat layout. So with that, I hope we have cleared your confusion between the XL6, the Ertiga, and the Kia Carens. So you can now decide which car to put your hard-earned money on. So if this video helped you, or if you like this video, do share it with your friends who are looking out for an MPV or a similar vehicle. And also it motivates us to make these content. So yes, do consider subscribing to us.